Hello everyone! In this tutorial, you will learn how to activate Apple Intelligence to use the writing tools and Siri on your macOS Sequoia 15.1. To start using Apple Intelligence writing tools and the new Siri, you need a Mac with an M1 chip or later and macOS Sequoia 15.1. To activate Apple Intelligence on your Mac, click System Settings in the dock. Next, click the Apple Intelligence icon in the left sidebar. Then turn on the toggle button for Siri. Please note that Apple Intelligence currently supports English. When I change the language from English to Japanese, the old Siri icon appeared in the menu bar. Therefore, to see the new icon and the Siri text input box, you need to select English and click Enable. However, support for more languages will be available in the future. In the next step, you will be asked to share audio recordings. I click Not Now. Siri is now enabled. In the following step, click on Join Apple Intelligence Waitlist. Then click Join Waitlist again and wait until you gain access. Some users get through immediately, while others may have to wait a couple of hours or longer. You need to be patient. In my case, after a few minutes, the joined waitlist status changed to Preparing, and a message read, "You will be notified when Apple Intelligence is available for your Mac." After 10 minutes, the Turn on Apple Intelligence button became available. Clicking on it displayed the previous screen, so I clicked Continue. Next, I clicked on Summarize all notification previews and then clicked on the Continue button for Siri, Speak to Siri, and Type to Siri. To interact with Siri, click the icon to open the Siri text input box and start typing your question. You can also talk to Siri by clicking the microphone icon. Let's ask Siri to translate a sentence into Japanese. Translate the following sentence into Japanese. I would like to reserve a single room for December 25th and 26th. To view the translation, I'll press Enter on my keyboard. The translation is correct. You can move the Siri text input box to a different location on your desktop. When you enable Siri again, it will remember its previous location. To close the text input box, click the X button.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
Let's now use the writing tools. I'll open the Notes app. Here is a business email that contains 9 mistakes, highlighted in orange, plus a missing preposition. To proofread my email, I click the Apple Intelligence icon in the toolbar to show the Writing Tools palette. Alternatively, you can select your text first, then right-click or control-click to see the contextual menu. Next, click Writing Tools, and then you can select Show Writing Tools or choose a specific tool from the sub-menu. I want to make sure that there are no mistakes in this email, so I'll click the Proofreading button and Apple Intelligence checks my text for errors. As you can see, all mistakes have been corrected and a preposition was added after the word discount. Let's now use the rewrite feature. If I don't like this version, I click revert to return to my original message. You can also make your text friendly or professional. If you think your text is long and you want to make your message short and clear, click concise. Again, if you don't like the concise version, click Show Original. You can also use the summary, key points, list, and table tools if you need to. To use the Apple Intelligence writing tools with the Mail application, click the icon in the toolbar to view the tools palette. And as before, use any of the writing tools to improve your message or text. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.